Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of Diecast Hunting in Europe, and we are in Germany. We're going to find out what they got, but first don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can support my channel. Thank you very much. Here we have a beautiful Formula 1 from Burago. Price quality really good, especially now because it's reduciert, and that means discount. And we like that. Here we have the Matchbox section. I'm not going to pay much attention about those mainline Matchbox because they're pretty old. This is very cool. Not super new, but I still like them. Check out this one. Whew, there he goes. What we have more from the Skybuster Top Gun? The Mustang. I think that's the most beautiful casting from this set, and why not take it home with me? Okay, what do we got more? We got a UFO. Shout out to the aliens. That's been a while ago. Here we got some Best of Germany. The BMW. And what is this? No, that is not my thing. Let's go over here. There we see the bigger scale models. And here we have some Siku. Let's see if we can find something interesting. Yep, I already see the F-150 with the camper. This is such a cool casting. And what's really cool is the sunscreen can roll out of the camper. That is really cool. Did a review about it, so you can look it up on my channel. Ford F-150 with camper unit on top from Siku. If you're looking for that on YouTube or Google, you will come to my video. Here we have the Polizei set from a Majorette, German police cars and a helicopter. And this is a Müller exclusive, so only available at Müller. Here we have another one, Dream Cars. That is a beautiful set. And my favorite of all time, the Black Edition gift pack. First it was a Müller exclusive, and now it's available everywhere, and I think that's a very good thing. The Dubai set, which is also very popular. McLaren. And here we have the Bayern München set. Check this out. That is a really cool set. Here we have some Schuco models. 187 scale. Military vehicles. The Leopard tank. Only downside on this Leopard tank, and I did a review about this one, the camouflage version. It has no machine gun on top. Yeah, I think that's a little bit disappointing, but it's still a very cool tank and completely made out of die-cast. No working tracks, by the way. This is a beauty. Wow, I think a lot of you really like this one. 164 Mercedes, Polizei Classic, and the Unimog. Also a very popular casting. And we got a Trabantje. Not bad at all. And the one on the left is also pretty funny. Comes with light and sound. Here we have some more Schuco, 187 scale. And these has pretty good detail, and you also can see there is a discount on it. Look at those details for a 187 scale. That's amazing. Also a 187 scale Mercedes-Benz. Okay, let's see what we got more. We got some cheap die-cast. Here we got some Majorette tune-ups. I think you get 4 of those tune-ups in one pack for a price of €24. Now here we got the team set Explorer with some animals and diorama items. That is really cool, and also reduciert. €12 for that set, and that is a really good price. Did I buy it? Negative. Didn't buy it. Stupid. It's probably gone by now. Okay, here we got the bigger scales, but we come to that later. First, we go into another part of the story. Here we have some more Siku. Let's see. The Mercedes AMG. By the way, there is a Mercedes AMG Roadster in a green version at the local Mercedes-Benz dealer. And I'm planning to make a photo over there with the Majorette casting. With the same color, same car, black rims. So I hope it's still there after the weekend. Because these cars are gone in a sec. Okay, here we got more Siku, also reduceerd, discount, very good price. I love those construction machines from Siku. Whoa, that is also a very good price, but I already have it. I bought it when it was brand new and then I have to pay the full price. The ambulance with the helicopter, really like that one. Let's see if we have something more interesting. Well, of course, everything is interesting. We got a fire truck over here in a 150 scale. Police boat, did a review about that. Can it float? Yes, but not that good. You can see it in my video. Chasing Diecast Cars did a review about this one. Definitely check his channel. Maybe he can place a link in this video to that video because this is a really cool item from Siku. A camper with a car inside. That is really cool. This is also pretty cool. I'm not sure if this is floating. Yeah, I like that a lot. That is a really cool toy for kids. Yeah, like I said, I did a review about it. Working lights, sound, and it can float. And you can place a motor underneath it from Playmobil. We got a nice tractor, also reduceerd. I bought that one, €3. That's a good price. This is also a nice piece, and I think Chasing Diecast Car also did a review about that one. The truck with the tractors on top, still have to buy the John Deere version. I say it every time. Then buy it. And buy it in combination with this one. Yep, do it. Okay, I promise to you and myself, next time I see this casting, I'm going to buy it. And next time I see the John Deere truck with the tractors, I buy it. Okay, here we got some more Siku World. This is also super cool for kids. I think for collectors like us, well, maybe some of you are like it. But for collectors like us, it's not realistic enough. But for kids, it's totally awesome. And it's strong. You can play with it. And the details are not that bad, let's be honest. Okay, here we got some more bigger scales. Maisto. And I also see some 164 Schuco casting. And there we got Dude. With a mask. Got some more Maisto castings over here. 118 scale, and I think this is 124. Let's check out these Schuco castings. Trabant. VDAP. VDAP T1. Another Unimog. Here we got the Maisto. Another Unimog. The Polizei, Mercedes, and another VDAP. Ooh, these are also beauties. Those Schuco models are very popular in the United States, but also hard to get in the United States. Here we see the Trabant in a bigger scale. The Ferraris from Burago in a bigger scale, definitely worth the money. Every time I see them, I think like, wow, they're so cool. Same with the Lamborghini. Solido Models. Recently I found a lot of Solido models in France, the latest ones. That video will be on my channel, I think next week. Not 100% sure. Depends on what I will find the next couple of days. Okay, here we got a newbie from Majorette, the Suzuki Jimmy. We got some Mustangs. And I already see some color shifters. Here we got some limited editions, the Zamek editions. Color changers, nice Viper. Lamborghini. Still have to make a video about all my color changers, putting them under the warm water. Will it ever going to happen? We will see. Porsche edition. Unfortunately, I didn't find the newbies that are in the Porsche edition set from 2021. I also didn't find the Majorette gift pack, the new Porsche Majorette gift pack. I think because of the problems in China or in other parts of Asia, it is very difficult to get all the products on time in Europe or United States or wherever in the world. So it will be probably next year that I will find the gift bag, but who knows? We will see. This is from Viking, also a very good brand. 187 scale, and these are made for model train dioramas. Reduciert discount. These models are mostly made out of resin plastic, but the detail is phenomenal, really good, and they look also really realistic. Here we got some animals. Perfect if you want to make a diorama. It's always nice to put these figures somewhere in your kitchen or living room. I did that with a tree we have in the living room, and I put some mountain climbers in it, and it looks really cool. Another Unimog. Okay, and let's go over here. Here we got some train models. Yes, they have everything in this store. It's a very cool toy section. And this is definitely one of my favorite Müllers in Germany. The ICE, my favorite German train. And here we got some older trains. You see the price, they are not cheap. Here you can see the price of the ICE, 349 euro. And if that is your hobby, you need a very good job or rich parents or something. Okay, this RC is really cool. I showed you this a couple of times in my video. Unimog Micro Rc. They're not cheap, but they are really good. They come with light and sound, and they are definitely worth the money. There's also one in a camouflage. This one is also pretty cool, the orange one. And you see there's also a VDAP T1. Ooh, there's also submarine. But probably I didn't notice that while I was filming. Okay guys, this is it. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.